इस दुर्घटना के शुरुआत पे अगर हमारी आवाज़ों को सुनी होती, अगर उन्होंने हमारे सीएम के साथ बात की होती और इस दुर्घटना के अंत करने के लिए अगर एक बात भी बोला होता तो आज ये दुर्घटना यहाँ तक नहीं पहुँचती। उनका जो बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, अभी हमारी बहनें हैं, हमारे भाई हैं, वो पढ़ाई नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। इम्फाल पे पढ़ाई चल रही है, स्कूलें चल रहे हैं, लेकिन ये बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ कह रहे हैं। हमारी बेटियां और इस देश की बेटियों के साथ में बलात्कार और हादसा हो रहा है। मणिपुर इम्फाल पे पढ़ते हैं आधा से आधा लोग, लेकिन आपको इतना बता दूं कि वहाँ के बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जा पा रहे हैं।
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी को ये कहेंगे कि आप पहले थोड़ा बहुत शर्म कीजिए प्रधानमंत्री जी, क्योंकि इतना जो 70 देश इशूज चल रहा है, झगड़ा चल रहा है, आप कुछ भी नहीं बोलता है। और जो वीरेंद्र सिंह गवर्नमेंट है वो सब ऑल अक्रॉस द स्टेट, ऑल अक्रॉस द कंट्री जो इसको इस्तीफा देने की मांग कर रहा है, अभी भी उसका सीट बचाए के रखा है, क्योंकि अपना पावर अपना गवर्नमेंट है। इसलिए ये शर्म आनी चाहिए और जो वीरेंद्र सिंह गवर्नमेंट है उसको तुरंत हटाना चाहिए। ये बोल रहे हैं कि भाई हम इसको रोकना चाहिए, वायलेंस पीस लाना चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं है, जबरदस्ती से बोलना पड़ेगा भाई, क्योंकि जो 70 देश जो इशूज चल रहा है उसमें बहुत सारा, अरे ये तो मामूली इशू है, इसलिए कोई भाई पॉलिटिकल जो इंटेंशन उसके पास नहीं था। अब तक तो कंट्रोल आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हो गया है, कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहा है और जो है जो लगातार चल रहा है और जो मानसून सीजन भी शुरू हुआ और पूरा देश एकता होके जो बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट का जो फेलियर है उनको सामने जो वर्ल्ड के सामने जो दिखाई दे रहा है, इसके कारण जो इसको मुंह को सेव करने के लिए जबरदस्ती से बोलना पड़े, इसे बोल रहा है, कोई उम्मीद नहीं है मुझे।
So we are gathering here against the incident that has been going viral in the social media, which has been circulated in social media, the heinous crimes that has been committed in Manipur. Actually, the incident was occurred on 4th May 2023, and after 70 days it was gone viral, and now the Prime Minister, who chose to remain silent for more than 2 months, has now spoken up and called it as shameful. Shame on Modi government, shame on you for choosing to remain silent for more than 2 months when all the atrocities has been committed against the people in Manipur, when the lives has been destroyed, people were being killed, houses were being burned down, properties were being destroyed, and when all those things were happening, he chose to remain silent. But the people in Manipur and from other parts of the country were asking him to speak up about the incidents in Manipur. And regarding the present CM, Chief Minister of Manipur, people have lost their faith, don't have any trust in him, and people have been demanding for his resignation, because we condemn the state government in this the communal violence that has been happening in Manipur. And regarding the incidents that has been going viral, it is a lot of people from across the country are condemning such heinous crime, and people are demanding for a justice against those perpetrators. The government is for the people, right? People, they are the representative, but the state machinery and those so-called those representatives have failed people in Manipur, have failed the women in Manipur, have failed the laboring classes in Manipur. So they should be held accountable, because after the violence has been going more than 2 months. So the government should have resolved it in time. But things are going out of hand. But despite being said this, it doesn't mean that we don't have any hope. It is only the priority. See, it is not, we can't deny the fact that the urgent matter in this state, it should be the violence that has been happening in Manipur. But despite this fact, he chose to ignore. He turned a blind eye to this incident. And that should be the urgent matter. That should be the top priority, because people are being killed, as I've said. So when all the things have been unfolded, all the heinous crimes are being committed, the atrocities against those women, he only now chose to speak up. So shame on you, Modi government, shame on the present CM of Manipur. But we want justice. until and unless we get the justice for those victims, we will not stop fighting for it.